Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So this is gonna be the part 2 of why you shouldn't throw away your Schrader bicycle tube yet, especially if it's leaking from the valve side here. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is your Schrader valve tube. You see what I'm talking about? I'm going to remove the cap. And in last video, you guys complained that you couldn't see properly what I had done here. So the first thing that you're gonna look here is this. If you look over here, this pin that you see, guys, over here, usually sticks out a little bit further out here, and it's letting that air escape through the valve here. And in this case, it's kind of inside, but usually it's sticking out. Now, if it's sticking out, it's the time to tighten it. Now, this is the part that you guys complained the last time. Now, look at this spring over here. Now, if you look carefully over there, let's get this thing to focus. You see there is a spring that's kind of pointing 9 and the 6 angle. So 9 being here and the 3 actually. That's what I meant to say. Now, look what I'm going to do now. Hopefully, it's going to show on camera. I'm going to take this tiny screwdriver, let you see the size. So the size is like a pin that's inside. And now, I'm going to try, you see now it's a 9 and 3. I'm going to try to tighten it clockwise. So what we are doing, we are going clockwise this way. Okay, now let's see over here. Hopefully, I can push it. Now it's on 9 and 3, and let's see if I can push it more further down. Okay, I'm doing it. Oops. Now I'm gonna go like this. Okay, now look now. I'm at 11 and 5. Now if I check over here, I'm a little bit inside, so as you guys can see, the more you push it in a clockwise, sorry, the more you turn it clockwise, the tighter is gonna get on it, and you're not gonna have air escaping through. And you can check when you spray some water that you have no bubbles here coming out, and that's how you fix your Schrader valve. Schrader tube without throwing it out and being able to save it. So turn this clockwise as fast as you can, as further down you can, and that's gonna solve your problem. Hopefully you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye bye.